Radiant skin starts from within, so let's dive into my top 10 holistic tips. First, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin plump and glowing. Next, consider incorporating a balanced diet rich in antioxidants. Think colorful fruits and veggies that fight free radicals. Third, don't underestimate the power of sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours to allow your skin to repair itself. Fourth, regular exercise boosts circulation, giving your skin that natural flush. Fifth, practice mindfulness and stress management. Stress can wreak havoc on your complexion. Sixth, establish a gentle skincare routine with natural ingredients. Avoid harsh chemicals. Seventh, consider herbal teas like green tea or chamomile for their skin-soothing properties. Eighth, protect your skin from sun damage with a broad-spectrum sunscreen daily. Ninth, exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Finally, embrace the power of essential oils like lavender or tea tree for their healing benefits. By integrating these holistic tips into your lifestyle, you'll be well on your way to achieving that radiant skin you desire.